Modern wastewater management demands an intelligent and proactive approach. When it comes to pressurized systems, including pumping stations, Grundfos goes beyond the pumps alone and delivers intelligent controls and communication capabilities that help the system adapt automatically to dynamic conditions. Production of wastewater is directly linked to water consumption. Normally, we use more water during the day, especially in the morning and evening, and less during the night. This means uneven inflow to the pumping stations. Pumps, however, have to be capable to pump out the maximum expected inflow, otherwise the pumping station will get flooded. But when the pump operates with the same capacity irrespective of incoming flow, pumping is inefficient as relative energy consumption is the same for low and high influx. This situation could be improved if pumps could work with a capacity that adheres to its respective inflow. Modern wastewater contains high content of solid parts and fibers. Consequently, pumps may occasionally block, especially if sediments accumulate in bigger forms while entering the pump. Additionally, the high content of accumulated sediments in the pit combined with prolonged retention time eventually lead to odor formation. Controlling and protecting the pumps is a must, but thanks to Grundfos dedicated controller, operation of the pumps is optimized. And not only the pumps, the Grundfos dedicated controller secures trouble-free operation of the pit and discharge pipes, making the entire system reliable, safe, and environmentally friendly. By implementation of the dedicated controller, along with the frequency drive, pumps can now be run with minimum possible energy consumption and enough capacity to handle incoming flow. Controls continuously learn and adapt to duty conditions in the specific pumping system. The controller immediately adapts pump speed in response to data from the frequency drive and a flow meter. Energy optimization is done based on everyday tests in which optimum frequencies are calculated. This gives a continuous overview of pumping efficiency, enabling timely service and maintenance of pumps and mains. At the same time, the controller ensures to pump out excessive volumes during times of peak flows whenever needed. To avoid sedimentation in the discharge pipe due to too low flow, thus velocity, the controller along with the VFD enables intervals of flushing of the pipework by running the pump at full speed and maximum flow, so no solids can dispose within the discharge pipe. To avoid stagnant conditions in the pit, which may lead to sedimentation, accumulation of solids inside the pit, and finally odor formation, the control system ensures daily emptying of the pit. This also prevents the pump from blocking. However, if a blockage of the pump happens, the controller will recognize this and enable the pump to run in reverse to unblock the impeller. The anti-clogging function acts on any abnormal event, thereby stopping the pumps from blockage, in turn avoiding costly downtime. The Grundfos dedicated control is an intelligent monitoring and control solution developed specifically for network pumping stations and commercial buildings. Thanks to its advanced functions, it proactively prevents problems before they surface and drives pumping systems with the best possible efficiency, reducing operational cost to the minimum.